Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Sony headphones with any Android phone. So first you have to be sure that your headphones are turned off, and then you have to click and hold this power button until this Bluetooth indicator starts blinking quickly. Just like that. Right now we can release that button, and we are right now in the pairing mode, so we have to go to the settings and go to the connected devices, click to pair new device, and from available devices list you have to select your Sony WH-CH720N headphones. So click on them once, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And if you want to use all features of your headphones, you have to open the Play Store, tap on the search pool and get the Sony headphones application. So that's the icon and the full name of this application that you have to download. And when you open it, just wait a little bit. When you connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings and open application for the first time, you will be already connected. There's a few steps that we have to make, like skip all of this stuff and quickly go to the dashboard when you can find all this function of your earbuds. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.